My dear kids, yesterday we have done the formation of some vowel E sound words. Today we will learn the formation of some more vowel E sound words. So let's start. L, egg, leg. P, egg, peg. M, egg, meg. K, egg, keg. B, egg, beg. V, ebb, whip. So now I hope you all have got the pronunciation of the E vowel sound words, and you will write down the date, topic, all the words with their Hindi sound as well as the pictures in your notebook. In the next class, we will learn about the difference between vowel A sound words and E sound words. Thank you.